Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to review textbook Basic English Grammar with Betty Scamper Azhar. Okay. Uh, One, accuracy and relevance. Accuracy refers to the extent to which the information in this grammar book is correct and in accordance with applicable English grammar rules. And relevant refers to the extent to which the material presented in this book is useful to learn in the context of learning English. And accuracy. The book Basic English Grammar by Betty Azhar is known for its high accuracy of the material. Azhar used a rules-based approach to explain grammar in a systematic and easy to understand way. All grammar concepts taught are based on the rules of English grammar. Example: explanation of the tenses, modals, and passive voice are presented with precise definition of relevant examples. Relevance. This book is relevant for elementary level learning because the material presented is in accordance with their need to build a solid grammar foundation. This book covers important topics such as present simple, past simple, and future tense that are essential for beginner. And scope and sequence. Scope reference the range of material discussed in the books. Sequence refers to the order in which the material is taught. Scope. This book covers a variety of basic topics in English grammar, including tenses, nouns, verb, adjective, adverbs, and sentence structure. The topics are structured in such a way that each chapter builds a more complex understanding than the previous chapter. And sequence. The order of the material in this book follow a logical progression from basic concept to more complex concept. For example, this book begins with an introduction to parts of speech and then continues to the discussion of tenses, modals, and complex sentence. Engagement and motivation. Engagement. This book uses a lot of exercise, example, and diagrams to help with understanding. This exercise vary to maintain student interest. Features such as quiz check, and review at the end of chapter are designed to help learners evaluate the understanding. Motivation. This book motivates learners by providing clear explanation and presenting useful exercises to increase their confidence in the using English grammar. Methodology analysis. Pedagogical approach. Pedagogical approach refers to the theory and practice used in the teaching grammar. Approach. Azhar used a deductive approach in this book, where grammar rules are taught first before the exercise are applied. This approach is suitable for beginner learner who need a clear structure and explanation of grammar rules before applying them in practice. And instructional design. Instructional design is the way the material is organized and present to student. The design of the book is highly structured with a chapter having clear learning objective, explanation of concept, and exercise for practical application. This book uh, provide explanation, example, and exercise in an easy to follow format. And active experience activities. This book uh, provide a variety of activities such multiple choice, exercise, filling, and sentence writing. These activities are designed to strengthen grammar comprehension in a practical and applicable way. Assessment and feedback. Assessment. This book include quizzes, review exercise, and tests to evaluate student progress. Although the book does not provide direct feedback, activities and exercise are accompaniable by answer at the end of the book, allowing learners to conduct self-assessment and feedback. The book provides an answer for exercise at the end of the chapter, which allow learners to examine their work and understand their mistake. Okay, and the book Basic English Grammar by Betty Scram for Azhar is an accurate and relevant resource for beginner English learner with a clear scope and sequence. This book presents the material in a systematic and structured manner. This book is also designed to engage learners through various interesting activities and provide motivation through exercise that increase confidence. And this book is an effective tool for building a strong foundation of English grammar for beginner learner. Maybe enough for review textbook English Basic English Grammar. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.